Wow. That's a statement. That's pretty cool. Whoa. Is this the end game? It's kind of interesting. I'm saying, is this the end game? When I have an EK43 in the garage. Oh my God. Right then deep into the rabbit hole. And this is no exception. So, this is just an unboxing of the Timemore Sculptor 078S. Whatever. Okay. Well. Interesting, right? A little brush to clean, I guess. Cables. This gun screws for some reason. We'll find out later. Here we go. Packaging. It's ridiculous. So yeah. This is my new grinder. It looks amazing. It really does. Catch can, small, little funnel, which I'm a fan of actually. Different RPMs. This is set at 1200. That's what it looks like in the back. It's normal for some left coffee grinds inside due to factory grinding testing. This is, wow, very smooth. Open it up, goes all the way to 18. Okay, all grinders have sweet spots. Let me turn it around to you. That's what it looks like. Very smooth. I guess this is for the fan. Here's the RPMs. You can play around with that. Here's the plug. It's supposed to be magnetic. Yep. That's pretty cool. It's like a knocker. You don't have to actually tap on it. It just does it on its own. Here's the top. I guess it goes this way. So it goes one way. Really nice, sleek design. These are your 78 burrs. I got regular burrs. Plug, brush. What's this? Squeegee to push air out or clean out the grinder. And that's it. That's the grinder. This is what we're working with. Please turn the device on before you pour coffee beans. To give you a rating, 0 to 5 is espresso, which makes sense. 2 to 6, interesting. 2 to 6 is mocha pot. We'll find that out. Pour over. It says 12 to 16. We'll see. We're gonna have fun with it. We may read the book, we may not, but I think it's really self-explanatory how you use this grinder. Everything is very smooth. Remember they said turn it on first. I think I usually do that. Sometimes I don't. I don't think that's a big deal. I don't know really what else to say. This is literally just an unboxing and we're gonna put it through its paces, of course. Why did I get another grinder? Why did I get this grinder? What is wrong with me? Well, I'm still trying to figure that out. It's been on my mind ever since I got the ZP6. The ZP6 is a very good grinder. I would say even great, but something about having something like this that essentially does everything, even with regular burrs, that's the thing that kind of intrigued me. And perhaps this is probably the only grinder that you need. Is it a lot more compared to others? Oh yeah, it is. But still, if we have something that's more so like the Holy Grail, like this one can be, I guess, like the EK43 that I also have, that I don't talk much about for various reasons. Watch the video coming up, you'll see why. The grinder is everything, right? It's everything. It's everything that we think about. It should be the things that we know and love. And not only that, we don't need a lot of them. We really don't. I think if you're going to go to hand grinder route, you'll probably need 2. In this case, this is probably all you need. So I guess what I'm saying is that yes, there's a stepping system in this whole grinder situation, but you don't need to buy like 15 of them in order for you to get the things that you want to do. So like I said, I'm going to put it through its paces. We're going to test it against the EK43 with also standard burrs that probably need to be changed, probably, because it still does a really good job after many years of use. We're going to put it through the Filler O2. We're going to put it through the hand grinders. This is going to be a lot of fun. Truthfully, I think the biggest thing that I want to do with this whole thing, with this whole grinder, is ask you, do I just need to get this? Is this going to be a lot easier for the things that I want to do? Does this make a lot of sense for me? Because at essentially $800 for regular burrs, that's what you're trying to gather and get. That's the thing that we're trying to understand the most of all this. And I think the biggest takeaway that I am looking forward to this is just kind of just enjoying the coffees for what they are. What kind of profiles that they actually present to you as you brew them. Things that you can push yourself and get to even more so as we talk about grinders, as we talk about gear. At the end of the day, it's all about that actual journey that we're taking, right? Some coffees may taste better on this device than another device. Those are some of the insights I do want to give you. It's not so much of this is better than this. It's more so like the nuances, the things that we kind of channel a lot of times when we're talking about particular gear, why we have it, and what's the importance of it as we get to know all the things that we're trying to do with all of this, right? If that makes any sense. Because I'm not making any sense right now. Because I told you that I wasn't going to do this or get more and more and more. But this is it. Like, I like the hopper. It may be slightly small than what it should be, but I do like small hoppers because I change coffees all the time. We're going to see what this is all about. I don't have anything else. This is OK at Everyday Beans signing off. I don't think I failed you. I think the biggest thing is me being honest about why I do what I do and how it can help you. Because that's what it's all about, really. What does this make sense on your journey as you do things? So there we go. See you later. Bye.